एक माँ की दिलखराश दास्तान आपकी समातों के नाम। आपसे गुजारिश है कि मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स में शेयर करें।
The doctors had only one option, either to save the mother or the child. The mother was also longing for children for 11 years. Even after 11 years, the owner blessed her with children, but only for 2 minutes. The doctors tried for 7 hours to save both the mother and the child, but then they had to follow the last wish of the mother. Mother said, "I am fine, but save my child." The doctors put the baby to the mother's chest. The mother lived only minutes. Kissed your child, and the soul flew away. The doctor also cried seeing this scene. The true prophet said, "Heaven is under the mother's feet. There is only one mother who makes the life of children even after dying herself." May Allah bless all the mothers with cool shades always. Amen. Sama Amen. Story writer Muhammad Ezen Ul Haq.